Hello and welcome back to Wheelhouse, where we explore the fascinating world of motorcycles, from cutting-edge superbikes to timeless classics. Today, we're setting our sights on a machine that perfectly encapsulates the latter, the highly anticipated 2026 Kawasaki W175. In an era where technological advancements often overshadow the fundamental joy of riding, the W175 stands as a delightful counterpoint, a pure and unadulterated motorcycling experience. This isn't just a simple entry-level bike, it's a carefully crafted invitation to reconnect with the essence of two-wheeled travel, blending iconic styling with accessible performance for the modern rider. Join us as we delve into what makes this upcoming model a truly compelling choice for 2026. An ode to history, timeless design, modern refinement. The most captivating aspect of the 2026 Kawasaki W175 is undoubtedly its unwavering commitment to its retro roots. Drawing deep inspiration from Kawasaki's legendary W series lineage, specifically the larger W800 and the original W1, this bike is a masterclass in classic motorcycle aesthetics. We anticipate the 2026 model will retain its signature elements: the perfectly circular halogen headlamp, which exudes an authentic vintage glow, and the iconic teardrop-shaped fuel tank that forms the visual heart of the machine. The long, flat, tuck-and-roll style seat is not just for show. It promises comfort for both rider and passenger, while also contributing to the bike's effortlessly cool profile. For the 2026 iteration, expect subtle yet impactful enhancements. Kawasaki is renowned for its attention to detail, and we foresee an updated palette of paint schemes, perhaps deeper, more vibrant solid colors like classic black, forest green, or even a rich burgundy, possibly with metallic flecks that shimmer in the sunlight. The badging will likely be refined, retaining its period-correct typography but with improved finishes. Chrome will continue to play a crucial role, adorning the fenders, exhaust pipe, and perhaps even the mirrors, providing sparkling accents that highlight the bike's traditional craftsmanship. Every line, every curve, and every component choice on the W175 is deliberate, aiming to evoke a powerful sense of nostalgia while offering the reliability of a modern machine. This is a motorcycle that doesn't shout for attention, it elegantly commands it with its undeniable classic charm. The heartbeat, engine and performance dynamics at the core of the 2026 Kawasaki W175 lies its robust and reliable air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. While exact specifications for the 2026 model year are yet to be officially released, we expect it to be a refined version of the well-regarded 177cc unit. This engine isn't engineered for high revving, track day heroics. Instead, its focus is squarely on delivering a smooth, tractable, and immensely user-friendly powerband. Anticipate a healthy dose of low to mid-range torque, making it exceptionally nimble and responsive in urban environments and for navigating congested city streets. The air-cooled design contributes to its legendary simplicity and ease of maintenance, a significant appeal for both novice riders and those who prefer to work on their own machines. Fuel injection, a standard feature, will ensure crisp throttle response, effortless cold starts, and consistent power delivery across varying altitudes and temperatures. Crucially, it will also guarantee compliance with the increasingly stringent global emissions standards, making the W175 a responsible choice for the future. The characteristic thump of the single-cylinder engine is part of its charm, a reminder of motorcycling's roots. Mated to a precise 5-speed gearbox, riders can expect smooth, positive shifts, making it a joy to operate whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a relaxed weekend cruise. While top speed won't set any records, it will be perfectly adequate for sustained cruising on secondary roads and comfortable short stints on faster routes, truly embodying the spirit of accessible, enjoyable motorcycling. Riding with grace, chassis, suspension, and handling. The 2026 W175's ride quality and handling are meticulously engineered to be both confidence-inspiring and incredibly forgiving. Its lightweight, semi-double cradle frame provides a solid yet flexible foundation, contributing significantly to the bike's renowned agility and ease of maneuverability. This frame design is a proven solution for bikes of this class, offering a good balance of rigidity for stability and a degree of flex for rider comfort over varying road surfaces. Suspension duties are handled by a conventional telescopic front fork, which is expected to offer a well-judged amount of travel, adeptly absorbing bumps and imperfections in the road without feeling overly soft or harsh. At the rear, twin shock absorbers provide a classic look and offer predictable damping, ensuring a comfortable and composed ride. While we don't anticipate advanced adjustability at this price point, the factory tuning will be optimized for a broad range of riders and conditions. Braking performance for the 2026 model is likely to continue with a robust disc brake at the front, offering strong and progressive stopping power, complemented by a reliable drum brake at the rear. This combination is highly effective for the W175's performance envelope, providing ample control and safety. The bike's lightweight nature, combined with a relatively low seat height and an upright, neutral riding position, makes it exceptionally easy to handle at low speeds, a boon for navigating traffic or performing U-turns. The spoked wheels, often 17 or 18 inches, not only enhance the retro aesthetic but also contribute to a slightly more forgiving ride over rough patches, making the W175 a pleasure to ride on almost any road. Everyday practicality and essential features. While deeply rooted in classic design, the 2026 Kawasaki W175 thoughtfully incorporates modern practicalities without compromising its vintage soul. The instrumentation is a prime example. Expect a beautifully classic analog speedometer, perfectly sized for clarity, potentially accompanied by a small, discrete digital inset for essential information like an odometer, trip meter, and perhaps a fuel gauge. This fusion maintains the retro feel while providing the rider with all necessary data at a glance. Lighting technology is likely to see improvements, with the possibility of brighter, more efficient LED elements for the headlamp, taillight, and turn indicators. This not only enhances the bike's visual appeal but significantly improves nighttime visibility and rider safety, a crucial modern upgrade. Comfort is paramount, and the generously padded, flat seat is designed for extended periods in the saddle, whether you're commuting or enjoying a longer cruise. Passenger comfort is also considered, making it viable for two-up riding for shorter distances. For contemporary convenience, we might see subtle additions such as a small under-seat storage compartment, helmet lock points, and even a discreetly placed USB charging port, allowing riders to keep their devices powered on the go. Fuel efficiency, inherent to its smaller displacement engine and fuel injection, will be a significant draw, ensuring low running costs and a respectable range between fill-ups. The W175 is designed for minimal fuss, its air-cooled engine and straightforward mechanicals mean easier and less expensive maintenance, making it an ideal companion for daily use and for those who appreciate simplicity and reliability. The ideal rider. Who is the W175 for? The 2026 Kawasaki W175 continues to appeal to an incredibly broad spectrum of riders, solidifying its position as a versatile and beloved machine. For the new rider, it represents the perfect entry point into the world of motorcycling. Its manageable power output, lightweight construction, low seat height, and incredibly forgiving ergonomics foster confidence from the very first ride. It teaches the fundamentals of control and balance without intimidation, making the learning process enjoyable and safe. For the urban commuter, the W175 is an absolute dream. Its narrow profile, nimble handling, and excellent fuel economy make navigating congested city streets a breeze, turning daily commutes from a chore into a delightful experience. Its classic styling also means you'll always arrive in style. Experienced riders will find the W175 serves beautifully as a second bike, perfect for quick errands, relaxed Sunday morning rides, or as a platform for customization. It offers a nostalgic trip back to simpler times, reminding riders of the pure, unadulterated joy of motorcycling before complex electronics became standard. It's also an excellent choice for those seeking to reconnect with a pure riding experience, free from distracting modes and settings. Finally, for those who appreciate timeless aesthetics and a motorcycle that makes a statement without being overtly flashy, the W175 is an irresistible choice. It embodies a philosophy of less is more, proving that true style and enjoyment don't require immense power or a hefty price tag. A niche of its own, the W175's market position NA market increasingly saturated with aggressive street fighters, adventure bikes, and feature-laden touring machines, the 2026 Kawasaki W175 carves out a distinctive and cherished niche. It doesn't aim to compete on raw power or cutting-edge technology. Instead, it offers an alternative, a refuge for riders who prioritize classic charm, accessibility, and the fundamental joy of riding. It stands almost alone in its segment as a dedicated retro-styled motorcycle with such a small displacement, providing an entry point into the revered W series heritage that is unique. While there might be other small displacement bikes, few offer the same authentic vintage appeal and the robust build quality associated with the Kawasaki brand. The W175 serves as a gateway, introducing riders to the W series philosophy of elegant simplicity and enduring design, potentially leading them to explore its larger siblings like the W800 as their riding journey progresses. Its relative affordability, coupled with low running costs and Kawasaki's reputation for reliability, makes it an intelligent and emotionally rewarding purchase. The W175 is more than just a means of transport, it's a lifestyle choice, a statement of appreciation for motorcycling's rich history and its timeless allure. Concluding thoughts: the enduring appeal. The 2026 Kawasaki W175 is poised to continue its legacy as a truly special motorcycle. It's a machine that understands and celebrates the enduring appeal of the past, while seamlessly integrating the necessary modern refinements for today's world. It's a testament to the idea that pure riding pleasure can be found in simplicity, in the rhythm of an air-cooled single, and in the timeless elegance of a well-proportioned design. For anyone looking to embark on their motorcycling journey, or for seasoned riders seeking a return to motorcycling's purest form, the W175 offers an irresistible blend of charm, accessibility, and sheer riding enjoyment. Here at Wheelhouse we are incredibly excited about the prospect of the 2026 W175 continuing to inspire new riders and delight loyal enthusiasts. Its philosophy is a powerful reminder that sometimes, the most profound experiences come from the simplest machines. What are your thoughts on the W175? Are you a fan of its retro appeal, or do you prefer more modern designs? Let us know in the comments below, we love hearing from you.